We have seen so many travel videos on a bright sunny day. Unfortunately, we came across a thunderstorm while we were visiting Arches National Park. Here is a documentary of some of the surprising moments. I need to point out that the rain was so heavy that we could not roll down the car windows to take pictures. Also, on some occasions we needed to pay our utmost attention to driving, so we did not take any pictures or videos. I prayed that we would have enough time to visit the Arches before the bad weather hit us. I felt a few sprinkles at the Park Avenue viewpoint. The raindrops were getting bigger. The wind had started to pick up. We decided to go back to our car. The heaven opened up once we got into the car. It was raining cats and dogs out there. Two duckies were traveling with me in this Jeep. The rain was so heavy. It reminded me of the bad landsliding experience I had when I was little. We decided to turn around. Sorry, we will come back and visit the Balanced Rock in the future. While we were heading towards the park entrance, we came across many makeshift mud streams. Water was gushing out everywhere. We even saw a few waterfalls from the cliffs. Check out the following video. It was taken while we were hesitating to go through the mud stream. Turn around. Don't drown. Blurry picture, I know. Sorry. The rain was so heavy that we could not even roll the window down to take pictures. Oh, I have forgotten to mention the loud thunder cracking too. It seemed forever to reach the park entrance. We had finally got back to Highway 191, heading north. Here is the part that we didn't video because we had to focus on driving. There were many brick-sized rocks scattered on the freeway. My guess was that the rocks were flushed onto the freeway by the storms. We had to maneuver very slowly, less than 5 miles per hour, to try to avoid running over any of them. Local sheriffs were there to monitor the situation. Well, we did hit one brick. Ouch! Let me throw in a bonus picture of another thunderstorm we came across on the interstate. I think there was an alien spaceship hiding inside the thick clouds. We're back to the hotel, safe and sound. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.